Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is WG Rider, and today is actually a sad day kasi we have to say goodbye to a good old friend of ours na kasama natin for the past more than 7 years since 2017. Mag-goodbye na tayo sa kanya, and this is the friend I'm talking about. Yeah. Ang atin reliable na LS2 Vector na helmet natin na binili ko pa noong 2017 na hinalagaan ko for more than 7 years. Siya lahat na nakikita nyo pag sa vlog, nakikita nyo nakakabit pa yung mga mounts niya, pati yung intercom. And we are going to say goodbye to this. I mean, very reliable siya. Tingnan nyo, hindi pa nga nasisira. Yun din yung visor niya. So, I mean, malinis pa rin. No? No scratches. I mean, never been dropped, actually. Hindi din siya mainit. Okay? I had a review of this a while back. And, ngayon, we are gonna depart with it kasi yun nga, sabi nga nila, we should replace our helmet at least every 5 years. And this is already more than 7 years old. So, finally, I'm able to replace it. And here was the replacement. I will show you right now. It's gonna be an unboxing kasi never ko pa nabuksan. Well, sorry, not never kasi nung binili ko had to inspect it, of course. So binuksan dun sa shop. Okay? So without any without any delay, papakita ko na sa inyo yung akin replacement dito. Okay? Ta-da! Here it is. My new helmet, which is the Vector 2 Carbon. Okay? So, for the first time, I'm going to show you guys anong laman na to. Okay? So, alam ko nakita nyo yung sa montage, but here's what's going to be actual. Okay, let's open it up. Okay? There. And, ayan. Di nyo nakikita yung helmet kasi may sariling bag yung Vector 2. Pag binili nyo yung Vector 2, may kasama siyang bag. So, yung bag ay nasa loob, ay yung helmet nasa loob ng bag. And, may kasama siyang isang extra visor na, I think it's smoke gray. Hindi ko pa natatanggap ito. So, I'm not sure kung anong kulay siya. But later, iano natin. And then, of course, yung bag. Ayan. So, kasama siya. So pag mamasyal ka, so it's a backpack. So, pwede mo hindi mo na kailangan iwan sa top box mo. Or kung wala ka man top box, you don't have to leave it. Okay? So, ganyan. And then, meron pa siyang kasamang libreng pin lock. Okay? So, I'll make a video on installing the pin lock. Okay? But not today. Kasi, ano ko muna, teka. Pakita ko muna sa inyo yung helmet mismo. Right? And of course, with the signature LS2, sa mga premium helmets nila, yung magandang bag nila. So, kasama siya. And of course, yung backpack, which I will be literally utilizing it kasi I am not a fan of leaving my helmets sa top box. Gusto ko dala-dala din. May be inconvenient, pero dala-dala ko. And here goes the LS2 Carbon. Ta-da! There. See? Yan. Kita nyo doon sa montage regarding sa gaano kaganda nito. And, ayan. So, let's remove all yung mga protective coverings niya. So, first, let's open the visor. Ayan. May sarili siyang lock dito eh. So, when you lock it down, and you can't just lift it up. So, you have to press and then lift. Ayan. Okay? So, ayan. Okay? And, of course, may double visors din siya. There. Okay. So, ayan. So, first, let's tanggalin natin yung ng protective cover ng visor. There. Yeah. So, makita natin gaano kalinis na siya. Ayan. And then, next, ayan. Lift up. Then, of course, natin ito. Let's remove it. Gagandaan dito, naka slant back para pag umulan, hindi talaga There. Malinis pa siya. So, clear na clear. Ayan. And then, of course, may dalawang vent din siya dito sa taas. So, you can easily open and close. And then, also, may dalawang vent din dito sa baba. So, you have the big one. And then, you have also the small one here. Ayan. Okay. So, ano siya dito. Ayan. Alright. So, yan siya. And, of course, papakita ko sa inyo yung dalawa. Right. Here we go. So, for comparison. Yan. Of course, this is a carbon helmet. As you can see, it's actually bigger than the old Vector 1 series. This is the Vector 2. Kasi meron siyang, alam ko, it's carbon, of course, it's large. And, of course, ang size kasi ng helmet ko is, this is also a double XL and this is also a double XL. So, you can see talagang magkaiba. And, of course, this has a different profile. So, yan makikita nyo. Okay. And it's a lot longer than this one. Okay. So, mas maganda ang padding niya din dito sa loob. So, this time, sigurado ako, pag nagbablog ako, ma-reduce na talaga yung wind noise na sa loob ng helmet. Unlike the old one, ayan. Okay. Makikita nyo ang laki ng butas. And of course, nakita nyo, it's ready talagang literally yung wear and tear ng helmet. Okay. So, lahat ng mga ito, dilipat ko dito. And see, although, I am gonna buy a new intercom through sa Aegis. Aegis ang ginagamit ko. Lang, kasi I'm not really too fancy with the Cardo or Sena type. Kasi I only need communication with my pillion, so I don't really need fancy music or something like that. I mean, as long as na pwede naman nadidinig ko yung music ko or actually can talk to my pillion, okay na ako doon. So, hindi naman kailangan talagang kasi more on kwentuhan lang naman kami ni Miss G or sa anak ko every time we ride. And although bibili ako ng Q8 na Aegis, yun ang ilalagay ko dito. Eventually, once nabili ko na din yun. But for now, yung Aegis V6 ang gagamitin ko pa rin. It is one. Hindi ko pa na-order, but I will be ordering it soon. And then, tatanggalin ko to, lilipat ko dito. See if it will fit. Dito kasi, as you can see, dito sa mount nito, medyo malaki siya. Ayan. Dito. So, medyo parang, I'm not sure kung maano siya. But, I will try to fit it. So, there you goes, guys. I'm going out with the old, in with the new. And siguro nagtatanong kayo bakit I'm going with another vector. Well, aside from it being the carbon version of gusto ko may continuity yung lineage niya. I like the performance ng LS2, and even my wife's helmet is also an LS2. So it's an LS2 vector Evo, so I decided to go with another vector. Okay, so that's why I went with the Vector 2. It's lighter than this helmet, definitely. So, and of course, it already certified as ECE 2206. So, yeah. Okay, so, it's higher rated. Okay. So, pwede ko to, if time na magkaroon ako ng chance na mag-track day, maybe magagamit ko din on the track day. Plus, of course, hindi na sasakit ang leg ko dito. Although, medyo malaki lang siya. Okay lang. But the weight is lighter than this one. Ito talaga mabigat ito. This one is not. And, of course, sigurado ako, I feel more comfortable with this one dahil yung vents niya. I mean, the vents here are bigger than this one, as you can see. Tingnan nyo dito. Isa lang siya. This one has 2. So, papasok, lalabas dito sa exhaust port niya sa likod. Okay? And then, I also have another vent here. Okay? So, well, I hope you guys enjoy the video. There will be more video when I'm installing the my chin mount for my camera and also the Aegis. I'll transfer it here. And hopefully, ang hanapin ko lang yung ano niya dito kasi dapat dito nakadikit sa gilid. I'm not gonna be able to use this mount anymore. Kasi dapat yung stick-on lang siya tapos ipapasok na doon. Okay? So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's sad to say na ito ay hindi ko nagagamitin. However, meron humingi sa amin, hinihingi itong helmet ito at ipapadala namin sa Cebu, sa pamangkin ng asawa ko. Kasi, since this is a double XL, wala na sa amin dito na kasya pa itong helmet na ito. Sa akin lang talaga ito nakakasya. Halos lahat dito, ang helmet size nila is medium. So, papadala namin, matagal niya ning hinihingi. And when I decided to buy this new helmet, yung Vector 2. So, masaya na din siya kasi alam niya, soon, mapupunta na sa kanya ito. So, with that said, thank you for joining us and hope you liked the video. And please subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you like it. And comment below, how do you feel about the Vector 2? And thank you very much. Hope to see you on the road in the next video. I'll be showing you how to remove the visor and installing the comms in the next video. All right, thank you very much. Have a good day, and always remember, guys, ride safe. Bye.